If you've been relying on the same hot water tank for years, it's easy to assume that as long as it keeps working, there's no reason to think about replacing it. But postponing the decision to upgrade your old hot water tank can lead to inefficiency, wasted energy, unexpected cold showers, and even costly water damage. It may not be the most glamorous home improvement, but replacing your aging water heater is one of the smartest moves you can make for your comfort, your wallet, and your peace of mind. One of the most convincing reasons to replace your old hot water tank is efficiency. Traditional water heaters work hard behind the scenes, but as they age, their performance warms up more than just your bath water. They start guzzling much more energy. Over time, sediment builds up inside the tank, causing the system to use additional electricity or gas to maintain the same temperature. This means higher utility bills every month, all for declining performance. Modern water heater models are designed with advanced insulation, smarter heating elements, and improved materials, making them significantly more energy efficient. By replacing your old tank, you can often cut your water heating costs by as much as 20% to 30%. There's also the very real risk of failure. Most conventional hot water tanks are designed to last about 8 to 12 years. If yours is approaching or even exceeding that range, you're living on borrowed time. When tanks fail, they can leak slowly at first, or burst suddenly, spilling gallons upon gallons of water into your home. The resulting flood can ruin floors, damage walls, and lead to mold or mildew problems, all of which are typically far more expensive to repair than installing a new tank would have been in the first place. Avoiding this disaster is reason enough to be proactive and replace your aging tank before disaster strikes. Comfort is another often overlooked but important factor. Are you noticing inconsistent water temperatures in your shower, or running out of hot water more quickly than before? Does the tank make strange knocking or rumbling sounds? These are signs that your hot water heater is struggling to keep up, likely due to mechanical fatigue or mineral buildup inside the tank. Upgrading to a new system not only restores reliability, but also ensures that your water stays consistently hot, and that you never have to brace for an icy surprise midway through your morning routine. Modern water heaters offer more choices than ever before. If you've been relying on an old basic tank, now's the time to consider models that better fit your lifestyle and budget. Tankless systems, for example, heat water on demand instead of storing it. This means endless hot water and even greater efficiency for many households. Hybrid heat pump tanks capture warmth from the surrounding air, drastically reducing energy consumption. High-efficiency gas or electric tanks meet stricter standards and can pay for themselves over time through smaller monthly bills. Today's units are quieter, better insulated, and come equipped with smart diagnostics that alert you to issues long before they become emergencies. Another reason to act now is incentives. Many utility companies, cities, and states offer rebates or tax credits for homeowners who upgrade to energy-efficient water heating systems. These programs can offset much of the initial purchase and installation cost, making the switch more affordable than you might think. In some areas, old and inefficient tanks are even subject to removal requirements due to environmental regulations, making proactive replacement both financially and legally sound. Think also about your home's future value. An outdated hot water tank is a red flag for potential buyers who know that replacement units are an unavoidable part of regular maintenance. Upgrading now not only benefits you, but can also make your home more attractive and marketable if you decide to sell. An efficient, up-to-code hot water system can be a strong selling point, providing reassurance to future owners that the home has been thoughtfully maintained. The upgrade process is straightforward for most homes. A professional plumber will determine the right size and type of tank for your household's needs, ensuring you have enough capacity for busy mornings, house guests, or whatever life throws your way. Newer systems must meet higher safety and efficiency standards, so you'll also gain peace of mind knowing your home is protected. And let's not forget the impact on the environment. Water heating is one of the largest sources of energy consumption in most homes. By replacing your outdated tank with a modern, high-efficiency model, you'll use less power, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and do your part to shrink your household's carbon footprint. Every gallon of hot water produced more efficiently is a small step toward a more sustainable future. Routine maintenance can extend your water heater's life, but it can't stop the inevitable. Magnesium anode rods corrode, tanks rust from the inside out, and heating elements degrade. Flushing the tank once or twice a year removes some sediment, but after a decade or more, it becomes nearly impossible to reverse the efficiency losses and performance issues. Stubborn leaks, rusty water, or persistent temperature fluctuations mean it's time to pull the plug. The longer you wait, the greater the risk of a costly emergency. Consider this a friendly nudge. Don't wait for a cold shower or a flooded basement to take action. By proactively replacing your old hot water tank now, you'll enjoy hotter water, lower bills, safety, and peace of mind. You'll add value to your home, help the planet, and say goodbye to the worries that come with aging, outdated appliances. If you're unsure how old your tank is, check the serial number and consult the manufacturer's website, or ask a qualified plumber to inspect your system. Signs like rusty water, strange odors, or loud noises from the tank are strong indicators it's nearing the end of its useful life. Your hot water tank works hard every day, tucked out of sight and mind. Isn't it time to return the favor by upgrading to a model that rewards your home with efficiency, reliability, and comfort? Make the decision today and enjoy the benefits for years to come. Your home, your wallet, and your family will thank you.